Staying safe on the road is priority one these days, and with BlackVue dashcam technology, protecting you and your vehicle has never been easier or more discreet. Meet the all-new DR770X Box Pro series, a stealthy 3-channel dashcam that has you fully covered from your most important angles. Every DR770X Box Pro includes the main box unit, full HD front camera, and wireless button for triggering manual events. Benefit from BlackVue auxiliary cameras like the wide-angle IR interior facing camera, standard rear camera, waterproof rear camera, or the newly designed driver monitoring system camera. The DMS camera is now more compact, easier to install, and includes seatbelt warnings.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Helping you get to where you're going safely.
Distracted.
Now it's simple to get everything you need for your perfect configuration with the choice of 4 bundles. The stealthily designed Box Pro main unit is easy to hide in your glove box, making it hard for thieves to spot, all while capturing and storing critical moments with stunning clarity. BlackVue's parking mode keeps you covered while you're away and benefits from the DR770X Box Pro's extended 10-second pre-impact recording buffer. And with new, fleet-crucial features like geofence speeding and overtime driving alerts, you'll have the peace of mind knowing your business is as protected as you are. Discover the new DR770X Box Pro. Go to blackvue.com to get yours.